Hi, today I'm going to show you how to link Steam to your Xbox account. So, first navigate to Xbox settings. So, open your Xbox, then click on the settings icon at the left of the screen. Now, you will see settings gear icon, click on it, or you can also press the guide button on Xbox controller, navigate to profile and system and click settings. Now, navigate to linked accounts under setting, click account option. So highlight the account tab on the left, select linked social accounts. When you click this linked social accounts button, find the Steam tile. You will see different linked accounts. Simply click link under the one that says Steam. Once you click link, it will open up the Steam page where you'll have to basically log in with your Steam user credentials. Enter the username and password of your Steam account, sign in, and you would have successfully linked your Xbox account to your Steam. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.